Funny.
Yeah, yeah. A little sad. A little sad too. Like
Yeah,
people
it
just
is
can't be
sad.
like, "Hey, good game, you beat me, well played." You know, you gotta be like, "Oh, you cheated. That's how you beat me. It's because you cheated." No, I didn't.
I was gonna just like sit here and watch you guys play while I like get crows over my head, and I was like,
Yeah,
nah,
that's
I'll probably
fine.
help him out.
Whatever.
I'll help him out a little bit. You know, I'll jump on the hook and just lay there. Zach.
Oh, you just missed out. All right, everybody, disconnect.
The corrupt gens are all blocked.
RP.
Please join that match, Stack. Is that Oni?
it's the part. It's the
Unreal,
part.
not Unreal. The samurai guy.
Oni.
Oni.
Yeah,
Oni.
Oni.
So, hey, someone do the main gen or do the gen by Shaq?
I'm doing the gem by
And-
Shaq.
Good.
Good. The random's getting chased. Random is running towards Shaq.
I wish Random would run to the corrupt side. That's how
Random's
you
killing. There we go. Now Nico has chase.
don't take that hit, Nico.
I'll try not to, but this is mind gaming Oni. Like every Oni out there.
Try to take him to the carnival.
Well,
Oh.
he's back by the shack. He's gonna
Come
go
on,
hear the other
Jamie,
survivor.
Oni! No! He's leaving me for me.
He broke the
I'm so
pallet,
jealous. He's leaving
chasing
me.
her. She was trying to self-care, didn't work out for her.
Yeah, for this we gotta stay here. Oh, Zach, where'd you go?
Are you serious?
Oh, look at that, auto hill.
Hi, Maggie. Oh no.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
That worked out wonderfully.
Try coming here.
Okay, my gen blocked.
I can't hear you. Oh,
Yeah, you probably got time for a killer match. I got the unhook.
Oh. Wow! Are you kidding me?
Oh no, you
Already?
see him! Oh god. Oh god. On me again. Oh no.
Lucky for me, I still got the perk.
Oh god.
No one's on gens. That's terrible.
No, I have to heal up. I can't be bleeding all over the place.
I got the unhook. Maybe. Where are you
Yeah.
taking him, Nico?
He's on
Where's
main,
Shaq?
kicking the gen. He's probably coming for me, I think. Yeah, he is.
Run him to Shaq, please.
Yes, that's what I'm doing. He left me. He left me.
Wow.
He didn't think
he's-
twice.
Get on a
He's
gen.
smart.
Get on a gen. Get on a gen.
He's a smart.
He's
Oni.
still just tunneling her.
Yeah.
And he has pop.
Heal me, please.
Of course, Nancy.
Three hooks, one jet.
No. Oh god.
You like that?
It's think finishing this gen is probably a bad play.
Got him. Let him right to Ray. Feel bad. Yeah, get it, get it, Ben, get it. Get it, Ben, get it.
I had nothing. Nothing.
I mean, yeah, I think it's a bad move, but I'll finish it.
We're okay because we got a gen we're pressuring, and I'm going to go to a different gen. Oh, wow, you're right there. Is he actually going to chase you?
I think he's gonna try
That
to.
cute Meg trying to protect me. Oh, that's you. Thank you. He's chasing Ben.
I'm going to get the unhook.
Wow! Unbelievable.
Hopefully he chases me. I have that or I have BS. Run, you run.
All right. Well, now he's on me again. Oh wow! I went down. Like you can't even throw a pallet. That's all right. I have deliverance.
Oh man.
Do you know where he's going?
Looks like
Let me
he's
end you real quick. Let me end
going.
you.
Hold on. Head to main. Head to main. Come get me, dude.
Oh god, he's after me.
Are you sure?
Yeah. The hell doesn't work on him? He's leaving me. That's weird. The hell doesn't work on him? Maybe it does. It's a mistake.
Well, that sucks.
He wants the 4K.
Down of his power.
Nico, start crawling. Yeah, keep crawling forward.
Oh man, I got caught on a pole. Went down.
Does he really know where Nico is?
I don't think so. He's probably looking for you.
Nope, he knows right where Nico is.
He's going back to me.
Oh, wow.
He's going back to me.
Wow, what a terrible
So
spot.
he's gonna slug this one out. Alright. Yeah, he's kind of, no, he's collecting all the blood too. Collecting so much blood.
Alright, out.
So all he's gotta do is leave me down and continue to collect blood from me. It's cute.
Oh, wow!
Let me pick you up, man.
Pick that up!
I don't know what he's saying.
Alright, I did my best, but I got both of you up.
Yup.
Yeah, he has to hook you now. Oh,
He's
no,
slugging,
coming
get out,
from-
get out! Slugging!
He's on me. Can you pick up?
Yeah, I got him, I
Yep.
got him.
Now, come here, I'll show you something I've been working on. Right. Come with me.
He left. He's in Maine.
That gen to my left.
It is tough.
Okay, I'm gonna go to this corner over here. Come on, come on, come on. Right here.
I didn't even see him. He's gonna get me here.
That's all right. We're actually doing very well.
I don't know if I'm on that hook.
All right. Are you going for the
I'm
unhook?
gonna
Is
make
that what
my
you're
way
doing?
over towards Nico.
All right. There's a gen over here that I'm gonna mess with.
Oh shit.
I saw him in Maine briefly, I think.
He's here, checking. So if you can, just walk. Yeah, you can keep doing it, Jen, man. He's going to you, man.
Well,
Wow.
that's my second hook, but
Oh,
but you got the unhook. We're okay.
yeah.
I don't know if you heal though. Like he's got too much blood already. He got agitation, man. He took a long look around, but he doesn't have barbecue. He's kicking my gen for no reason at all. Now he's in his power.
Sorry, Sonny.
Yep.
Oh, God.
Here. Oh, there's the pickup. Oh, there's a
There's the
decisive.
dead hard decisive.
Hey, oh, I thought you just healed me right there. Yeah, heal me up, heal me up, heal me up.
Yeah.
All right, now you go to the gen like,
Yeah, I know what gen I'm going to.
and I'm gonna go to the one in the carnival because we only need 2 gens.
Well, the chase is still in the carnival.
Is it?
Chase
It's
is
in the
coming towards
carnival.
us. Yeah. It's right there. On the other side of that wall.
Yeah, I got it. I got it.
It's
I got
coming
it. I'm okay.
Thank you, Meg. Oh, God.
Okay,
Oh, I thought
I'm on
you-
my gen.
through. Yeah, I'm staying right behind you.
You can't mind game me.
And now he's just killed you both.
Run, Meg, run!
Jump in a locker. Oh, nope,
That's
that's
fine.
it.
That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. I gave you some distance. Just keep working your gen, Matt. See, that might get Nico to the.
Oh my God, Oni is insane. That's an insane chase though, but I'm dead. Sadie! I mean Sack. What killer are you playing? Huh?
What do I do here, bro?
I can't
Just
hear
stay
you.
safe. Just stay safe. If I get somewhere, if I can crawl away and be safe somewhere.
I can't
Hey,
hear
they
you,
got
Sack.
salty lips. You might be able to Kobe.
I can't hear you, Sack.
Yeah, Zach is really low.
Yeah, I don't hear you, Seth.
There you
Oh,
go.
Yeah, well, there
That's
you go.
good.
What killer do you choose? Oh. Ooh. Come on, you can do it.
We gotta do something, right? That's an unfortunate place to be.
Are you playing with Tiffany? That's nice. Are you playing with
You can probably
She
get
took the
me
one.
out.
Oh. Nope.
You should are you playing with
I had a
Tiffany?
heartbeat just there.
Oh.
Don't see anything by
Like,
me.
the one with cars or
I
the one
just,
with
I'm
the
sorry. I had a
sweater?
heartbeat. I know I did.
Uh,
I'm sorry, Ben. I really thought that he was coming back to you. I had a heartbeat.
I don't think he knows where I am anymore.
I know. I'm just too far away because I heard the heartbeat and I got scared and I'm a coward and
Oh, he's looking in lockers.
get ready to do what you do best, man. Come on, you can do it. Or maybe you can find the hats. No, you know when Matt is the last person and then they find the hatch and you open the gates? Yeah.
Yeah, there he is. There he is. That was him.
Oh, wow.
he'll have no way out. It won't matter.
Yeah, what's with no way out?
Look at the doors.
Yeah, they're right across from each other.
So when he powers it, I just have to YOLO it.
That's what I hate about this this map is the doors are always right across from each
Or
other.
maybe give him your toolbox.
Yeah.
That'll still be
I don't-
escape.
There he is.
Oh,
Oh, he's at the hatch, I think. Yep, he found it.
There's
Did you
nothing to
see
do
her?
here.
Did you see her? No.
oh, I'll just give him my toolbox.
And here he comes.
Yeah, the doors are like right next to each other.
No.
So that's fair endgame. I'm so glad that they made it more fair for the killers. What are you doing,
Maybe
guy?
don't wiggle, maybe.
I'm gonna wiggle,
No.
dang it. It's the only gameplay I have. There is no gameplay there. There is no mind game. There is no chess.
Yeah, the only way out of that one is if you would have found the hatch.
I did pip,
Well-
so that's something.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, that's what you
Well,
do
I
when you play
escaped.
when you play Dead by Daylight.